Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify apps on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So I have 6 methods to solve this problem. So hopefully any of them will fix your problem as well. For the first method, what you have to do is just simply enable or disable aeroplane mode. For that, open control center and you have to enable aeroplane mode and then disable it. And after that, what you have to do is just simply turn off Wi-Fi and use cellular data. Just simply open settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, you have to turn off Wi-Fi and then use cellular data. And if you're using cellular data, you have to tap on cellular data and you have to turn off cellular data, and you have to connect your device to Wi-Fi. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply restart your phone. And after that, what you have to do is just simply clear history and website data, open settings, tap on Safari, and from here you can see here clear history and website data. Just simply tap on this, and after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still is there, then what you have to do is just simply reset network setting. For that, open settings, scroll it on, tap on general, scroll it on all the way. Here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Just simply tap on this. After that, tap on reset and then tap on reset network setting. You have to give your passcode, and after that, tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. So after that, what you have to do is just simply erase your phone. Just simply tap on this, tap on general, transfer reset iPhone. Here you can see erase all content and settings. So you have to read it carefully. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data. So this phone can be safely traded in or given away. The following atom will be safely removed from this phone. If you want to continue, just simply tap on continue. And after doing all these steps, hopefully your apps will be verified. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.